Exactly that day was the 35-year anniversary of one of the largest earthquakes in Mexico City. The key thing on that earthquake was that the people who were evacuating a lot of the buildings were actually seeing some other buildings fall down at the same time. The CHOP claims personnel and the CHOP BCP team did an excellent job getting the people out of the building and then restarting operations extremely quickly. The call center that we have in Mexico City was rerouted to our call center in Monterrey. Our insureds were never without any assistance from our claims team.
The offices was closed 4 days, but the claim services never stops.
Only from the earthquake, we have received more than 1,300 claim reports.
First response is essential in a catastrophe. In the first 10 days, we have 67% of inspections done.
And that really goes to, again, the preparation and having all of our people on the ground doing all the work to get out to the insured as soon as possible.